We're gonna give Kyle a haircut. So he's not gonna know it until this episode airs, though. He's not gonna know it all. Just wait for it.
What'd you lose?
It's attached to the welder. Just follow it.
Yeah, no.
You could attach your lips on this.
Gotcha.
You need to get the mom jokes better and jokes.
Kyle, he's gonna get you back so good today.
The only one I pull is good jokes. The only jokes I throw out is good jokes.
I don't know about that.
I got thrown in the back doing your mom. Quit anytime now.
Dude, your face is as red as your shirt.
I got it.
Wait, it's on your it's on your head.
Today we're going to finish my front end, hopefully. We're going to do upper arms, bag mounts, try to cram a shock in there. I'm working on the upper right now. You can't say anything around this guy when he's in the shop.
That's where it goes.
Weld that.
You can't weld aluminum. You bigot. Look, there's Grant. Look at Grant. What is Grant doing? Leaking. What is that? Are you tripoding?
I am double tripoding because my last name's Cox.
Ah! See, you gotta beat him to the punchline, Jake.
What are you welding on?
That's right.
What are you welding on? What is that right there?
The control.
Control arm? For your truck?
We ain't working on no Isuzu today.
I
Piece
know,
of
it wouldn't. It started smoking.
Piece of shit. It's a big ass ball joint plate.
Hey, I just saved this file as Kyle's super duper structural DOM cats for his upper arms. It's like a file this big.
Does it even show it all, or does it cut it off between two?
No, it cuts it off.
Oh, what the hell are those?
Super duper structural end cap.
Tube cap pieces.
Hey, what are you doing?
Gotta come up behind you.
That's a back house truck.
Kyle, how do you feel about this?
I feel like it's forward progress. Should get it off there.
Hey,
Yeah.
can he weld next?
No.
Just a little bit.
Deconstruction. Construction. Accurate. Accurate. See? Ooh. It's Burt Reynolds.
Blues brother. Tim, what do you think?
Man, I can't look at that. I think it's a little bitty.
Huh?
Little bitty mini truck.
What was your first mini truck?
It's a Mighty Max.
You're a Mighty Maxer?
I'm a little hurt there's not a Mighty Max in this shop being worked on.
There could be if you went and
Get
got
you
another
one.
one.
Just one.
Get you one, man.
I got stuff to do to mine right now.
Oh, that's good.
Look, now he's sitting down.
Hard work, supervisor.
It's a true city job.
Just sitting down. You acting like you're at kicker right now.
It's a true city job. Sunglasses on, everything. Eye protection.
Look, another supervisor.
No, Jake he doesn't provide eye protection, so you gotta bring your own.
Oh, I do. We got the clear ones. We're not
I
cool.
bring my own every day, though. I'm always prepared. Never know when you might take one in the face.
Hey Kyle, keep grinding.
How's it look? How many gouges did I do?
Look, keep grinding.
You go to
That's not gonna work, Kyle.
Is it?
The control arm needs to be mounted to something.
It's a Bluetooth upper control arm, man.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Frenchy.
Oh yeah.
2018.
Yeah, still negative a half degree, so that's good.
Anymore, you're going to be in the steering.
So I was thinking make it longer would help.
I would say you're going to want 1.5 to 2 degrees when you're an inch off the ground to roll low. That way you don't. If you may go a little bit positive at parallel, but you're not going to be able. If you're going to raise it up anymore, you're going to have to move it. You're going to have to offset the controller.
I think making it longer would help.
It's already hot as balls. If you touch that, it's gonna light you up. If you touch that to that, you're gonna get shocked. You're gonna get shocked like a mother. So don't make sure that you don't touch that tungsten to that metal.
Tell me that part.
Huh?
You didn't tell me that
Well,
part.
it's in your hand now, so I feel like
pair of gloves on.
I feel like it's necessary to tell you.
gloves?
No, not unless you're gonna be welding a lot. Only just wear gloves.
So.
Don't touch that.
I'm not touching it.
You're gonna get shot.
Touch this. This
Yeah,
part.
don't touch
Yeah,
that
I'm not
part.
touching that.
It's gonna shock the piss out of you. You might die. Here. Angle it. You want to angle it towards you, that way you can see what the hell you're doing.
Just like that.
And then, have you ever drove a Trans Am? Like you just think of that like the bear claw gas pedal. You just balls to the wall with it and just go until it melts a hole in there. and then you just start cramming rod into it like no other, and you just gotta yell America, and a bald eagle is gonna fly over the top of it, and fireworks are gonna happen back here. You ready?
I guess.
Hey, don't touch that to the material. Okay.
Oh, you dick. Dude, you're gonna catch his beard on fire.
You're fine. I'm done, folks. We've got Kyle's frame cross member for his air tank from Lowrider Depot. It's aluminum 5-gallon with approximately about 8 ports. We've got the tabs welded on here, and we're about to put it into the truck, and Sean is going to weld it. And keep in mind, Ryan Kidd is a visitor today at MiniTruck and Sunday, and he TIG welded for the first time today. So if this air tank falls out, it's on him. What is happening is Frenchy out and wouldn't weld this cross member in because he's afraid of Kyle getting yelled at him, so we hired Tracy to do the job for him. She did pretty good.
Let's see it.
She did pretty good.
Let's see it.
She did pretty good, Kyle.
She's gone to welding school. I know she did. That's fun. I'm doing the other side.
I'm used to that big welder though, like not these little guys.
That was pretty
Hey,
good.
we're white. We have little welders, okay?
MiniTruck Sunday, working on Kyle's truck. He's working on the front suspension. Got the upper control arm somewhat, I'd say 90% designed and needs to be welded up. Tabs are on. He's got the cut out so the bag don't hit the frame because he's got to run these big old balloon bags. Oh, we cut out the rear cross member and put in a new one. Mounted the Lowrider Depot tank. Thanks for that. And what else?
Tracy welded on my truck.
Tracy welded, yeah. Tracy did some pretty good welds. Better than me.
I wouldn't.
I'd say better than me.
Yeah, I got all pissed off when you welded my stuff because one, it was a structural link bar weld about that big, and you ain't ever been to school.
That's true.
She's done went to the welding schools and got educated on that stuff.
So did it pay off?
I don't know. We'll see if it falls out or not.
Oh, okay. What else?
Oh my god. The bed!
You're gonna ruin that bed.
The bed!
Too bad, son! Too bad!
Oh my god!
Hold on, I'll get
That's MiniTruck, right?
Yeah, tilt bed, bruh.
Wait.
I forgot we didn't cut that out.
It's so.
I forgot that. Look at that. Hey, it's almost laying body like
Hey,
Yeah.
Huh?
bruh.
It doesn't feel right.
Kyle, the body lines are a little bit off. Just a little
Were
bit.
they?
Oh, you're
You're
golden.
almost laying door.
You're golden.
Alright, hit the switch.
Oh, it'll buff out.
Looks like Kyle.
That we need when they all drop in there. I'm trying.
Yeah, what is it Brett says?
I'm trying to cram this interview together.
You need to stop worrying what the I be doing. Be more worried about why the worried about what I'm doing. That was close.
More you need more
Fuck. You gotta have the fucks in there. Hey, I just saved this file as Kyle's super duper structural DOM cats for his upper arms. It's like a file this big.
Does it even show it all or just cut it off between two?
No, it cuts it off.
Look at all these supervisors. Everybody's supervising this build.
Arms crossed, everything.
Look at that. Bunch of mad asses over here. Everybody mad.
Man, so mad.
Why y'all so mad?
What supervisor? Is that a quiet on set?
Quiet on set something. Everybody!
I tried to help Kyle earlier when on my pickup doing my fender welds. He didn't appreciate my help.
Why not?
He's unthankful, ungrateful.
Unthankful and ungrateful. That's accurate as
Now back. Get this out.
We have
Alright.
little welders
Over here.
around here.
That's the beginning of the next clip.
random people came in the shop, started cutting on Kyle's truck. That was awesome. Girls even. There was a fire.
Fireball.
There was a fire. This other bearded homeless looking guy that likes to poop naked over there. He was learning to weld and caught on fire.
Next time.
Next
episode.
Next episode.
Next episode, I'll probably be doing a lot of this off camera while we do Isuzu.
Maybe. We'll see.
I feel like Isuzu needs to make an appearance.
Yeah, it hasn't. It's been lonely.
Isuzu's like a Yeti at this point. Has it ever been?
Unicorn.
Oh, yeah, I guess it was on episode 1.
The Isuzu
Yeah.
has wheels now,
Yeah,
and
it's
it's
got
dying to be laid out.
it's got wheels and
Are we doing the front or back first?
let's do the back. Easy peasy.
Okay.
Cut it out.
Quicker instant gratification.
Yeah.
We can do it.
I like quick gratification.
Stupid. Is that it?
Man, I hope the audio doesn't suck on this.